Okay everybody, we're going to do another review today, and this one will be on some more Stek film. The film we're going to review is the Stek carbon fiber, the dyno carbon fiber film. This is the black carbon fiber, it's not the transparent one. This is the black carbon fiber. And what we're going to do, we're going to wrap the front of this Porsche here with clear PPF. We're going to do the fenders, the bumper, the mirrors, and then the hood. You see the hood right there? The hood is going to get the carbon fiber film, so it's going to he kind of wanted to go for the GT2 look with the carbon fiber, or the GT3 that has the carbon fiber and that air vent in it. So that's what we're going for. We just got the car cleaned up. We're going to start applying the clear film. We're waiting for our UPS driver to show up with the Stek film. The order was placed last week, should be here anytime today, and we'll unbox it, show you what it looks like, on the car. Stick around. Man, I'm having a bad hair day. All right, guys, so Stek film arrived. Yay! We were 10 feet of it, and that's it behind me on the wall there. So I've taken it out. We've already unboxed this film before. You see what kind of boxes they come in. And if you haven't, check out the Stek Dyno Gloss Black video that we did, and you can see what kind of a box it comes in. So go back to what we're doing here. The Porsche is ready to go. The fenders have been covered with paint protection film already. Those right there. We're going to do the hood in this carbon fiber film, and this film is nothing like the vinyl carbon fiber that you see or the printed. I'm going to spin the camera around so you can look at it. Okay, so this is it. And I'm not sure if the camera can focus in on that, but I don't know if you can hear it. It's got a nice, almost like a corduroy texture to it. And if you look real close at it, it's more embossed than anything. And I don't know if this will focus in here. Let's see here, get my finger in there. It's kind of almost like it's embossed on the top of the film. It doesn't go all the way through. So if you've ever dealt with the vinyl film that looks like fake carbon fiber, you pull it hard enough and it tears where it's kind of embossed or stamped or however they make that. This is not like that. This is actual paint protection film. It stretches. And it will deform if you stretch it. So you want, when you install it, you want to be mindful of the way these are running. You don't want to get it on here and have these things going wavy all over the place. So that's the hood we're going to put it on right there. I'm going to set the camera up and let you guys watch us.
My heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
All right, everybody, so we've got the film on the car. I'm gonna put the camera down close to here so you can check it out. It looks absolutely awesome. Almost just like carbon fiber. Now, I'm not quite sure if the camera's picking it up. My screen looks like it is, but when I pull out, it looks kind of fuzzy. Now, as far as wrapping goes, this stuff wraps really nice, and as you can see here, I'll hold my camera down here and see if you can see my edge. It wraps really tight. We wrap all of our edges really tight here, so we don't extend a bunch of film, you know, way down in here. We wrap them to here and sometimes even a little bit farther out. See the corners right here. I still have to tuck a little film down in there, but we've got our corners down there. And I still need to trim a little bit back here. I'm gonna do a final walk around this hood tomorrow, and hopefully we'll have some sun and you can check this thing out. Okay, so we've got the car outside. And we've got the Stek carbon film on here. Looks really nice. Kind of a sun shot for you there. Real easy to apply on this hood. Any of you guys that do paint protection film know that these Porsche hoods are a cake to apply. And this film didn't complicate it whatsoever, even though we had to keep the lines straight here, the weave lines, the mock weave lines, I should say. I think it looks pretty good. We'll see what the customer has to say when he shows up. Okay guys, so the customer just left and he seemed to like the car. He said it was going to take a little while for him to get used to it, but we'll see. Time will tell if he wants to come back. I gave him an option to come back and have that film removed, and we'll put some gloss film on it. My thoughts on the film: it's very easy to work with. There are some cases where you can take this film and install it like regular vinyl. I wouldn't try to do it on a big hood like we did on this Porsche, but smaller pieces like maybe a door handle or and not very intricate door handles, but like a door handle or say a mirror, some mirror pieces. I did the mirrors on my wife's Mercedes, and I did those dry, and so you can get the film and kind of uniformly pull and stretch it dry and get it on the car. And as long as you're using what's typically known as a hard card, we use hard cards that have stitched, it's an Alcantara hard card that has it stitched on one side, and it gives you a nice smooth squeegee to use if you want to do a dry installation with that. Again, I don't recommend doing big panels this way, just a small little pieces like a mirror or maybe the outside of a door handle. But it sticks great. You have to use a little bit more heat to get the edges to wrap on this film versus a regular paint protection film, and I'm not sure if that's due to the embossing on it. The guys at Stek would probably have more answers for that, but it does wrap really well with a little extra heat on it, and it sticks really well as well. So again, it's a great, awesome film for hoods, roofs, accent pieces, things like that. I don't know if I would really want to wrap an entire car with it. That's not my flavor, not my taste, but I'm sure there's people out there that would love to wrap their car. Again, it's not priced like regular paint protection film or vinyl. It's the price is up there, and that's due to I'm sure production costs on this film. Stek film looks great. It looked awesome on the car. It looks great out in the sun. It's going to last far longer than vinyl would, especially we're in South Texas and the summers here are brutal. So regular vinyl does not hold up. I've got vinyl on my truck outside there, and after 3 years it's starting to really fail and show its age. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button down below. Check out our website at concourseautosalon.com for more information about what we do here at the shop if you're in our area, or stop by. We're at 2450 Babcock Road.